Welcome to the N2WS Academy. My name is Cynthia Santos, Senior Solution Architect here with N2WS. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover a VM. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to navigate to my N2WS dashboard, and on the left menu, click Backup Monitor. Then I'm going to select the backup policy that contains the VM that I want to recover. I press Recover here. And then I see that I have some options. These are my restore locations, and I'm going to do a restore to the same region where my resource is located. In this case is US East. I select my resource and I press recover. And this is a whole VM recovery. It's going to populate all of the same metadata that my resource had at the time of backup. But because this is an instance that is live on my environment, I'm going to select the private IP address to be auto-assigned. I also want to give it a different name so that I can see that it's recovered and that this is the instance triggered by my recovery operation. And I will do the same for my disk. And now I'm going to press Recover Virtual Machine. This process will trigger the recovery operation, and now we just wait. It usually takes a few minutes. The best way to track what is happening behind the scenes is to go to Recovery Monitor on the left menu, find your recovery, and click on Log. This is going to give you a play-by-play guide of what is happening with your recovery. But the best way is to go back to your Azure portal, virtual machines, and then you can find your recover resource. I hope that this video has been helpful, and now you know how to recover a VM in Azure.